can absolutely configure the AI to automatically respond to all customer emails. However, during the initial stage, we recommend using the AI as an assistant to help draft email responses, allowing you to review and refine them before sending. The example illustrates how this works in practice. If needed, you can further instruct the AI to improve, shorten, expand, or rephrase the response before sending it. This is just one example of what our AI Complete suite can do. Explore more powerful AI features on our website, or leave a comment below and we'll be happy to discuss how AI can support your business.